If you're deciding between Zendrop and Spocket for your dropshipping store, the real choice that you'll be making is profit versus speed. Zendrop gives you lower product costs and global sourcing, while Spocket delivers faster US and EU based shipping, but at a higher subscription price. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how each platform affects your margins, shipping times, and customer satisfaction. That way you can choose the one that aligns best with your goals and avoid expensive mistakes that actually slow down new sellers. Choosing the right dropshipping platform starts with understanding how each one actually works. Zendrop connects you to more than 1 million products, mostly from vetted Chinese suppliers with optional US warehousing and a free starter plan, making it a very cost-effective way to test products and, of course, ultimately protect your margins. The other platform we're talking about is Spocket, which focuses on US and EU suppliers. So shipping to customers in those regions can take as little as 2 to 5 days. But there is a monthly fee associated with this platform after your 14-day trial is up, and generally higher product costs. Your decision comes down to whether you value maximum profit per sale or faster delivery and a premium customer experience. In this video, you'll see how the two platforms compare on pricing, sourcing, integrations, and branding, plus exactly how to pick the one that fits your store strategy the best. Zendrop connects you to more than 1 million products sourced primarily from vetted Chinese manufacturers and select US warehouses, giving you the widest variety at the lowest wholesale cost. Spocket does limit its catalog to suppliers in the United States and Europe, which means fewer items to actually choose from, higher per unit prices, consistently better product quality, and supply reliability for customers in those regions. Zendrop offers a free entry plan and a usage-based Shopify billing model that basically tops out at $79 per month, so you can test products and scale without heavy fixed costs associated with it. Spocket charges a subscription fee after a 14-day trial period and starts near $40 a month, and then climbing quickly as you unlock more premium products, which forces you to price higher and move larger volume to maintain the same amount of margin. Average shipping times tell the real story here. Zendrop's express line delivers in 9 to 12 days and drops to 2 to 5 days on its US warehouse items, while standard Spocket deliveries inside the US and EU consistently arrive in 2 to 5 days. So your decision here is whether faster delivery or wider profit spread drives your brand's promise. If you sell on multiple channels, Spocket's native integrations with Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix, and even Amazon let you list, sync stock, and process orders everywhere without third-party middleware, meaning that Zendrop goes super deep on Shopify, TikTok Shop, and ClickFunnels, offering a much more focused but narrower integration set that keeps workflows super simple if you plan to scale primarily on those platforms. Brand controls are very different though. Zendrop lets you add things like custom packaging, private label inserts, personalized thank you cards on paid tiers, and so many other options for brand building, turning basically every single shipment that you make into a branded touch point. The Spocket provides branded invoices across any of their pricing plans, which elevates the overall professionalism that you can maintain, but unfortunately stops short of full package customization, so you might want to consider whether unboxing experience or rapid delivery matters to your customer perception. Both platforms also promise 24-hour customer support, yet Zendrop also supplements this with a chat box and an email chain with live coaching calls and dedicated account managers on higher pricing tiers, making it a much better fit for you if you need guided growth or if you're just looking for a much more stable and consistent uptime with support. Spocket has an in-app supplier chat and an active community forum that empowers you to build direct vendor relationships, and with this you can solve issues much more quickly. The simplest way to choose is to just push 3 identical products through each platform, compare the wholesale cost, shipping speed, and customer feedback over the course of, let's say, 30 days. Then once you have good data here, you can double down on whichever supplier delivers higher net profit with fewer service tickets. Zendrop also stands out by offering custom product sourcing, allowing you to request items not already listed in their catalog and letting their team find a supplier supplier for you, which gives you a major advantage, especially if you want to test unique products early before they saturate the market. Spocket also focuses more on offering a curated marketplace of vetted items that are already available. So while you have strong supplier trust, you might have less flexibility if you want to move fast on new trends or niche product opportunities. When it comes to automation, Zendrop's entire system is built to minimize manual work. One-click product imports, automatic order fulfillment, real-time tracking updates, and inventory syncing all happen behind the scenes with minimal user input, making it easier to scale without any operational headaches. Spocket also offers automation features like inventory syncing and bulk checkout, but users sometimes report that fulfillment automation, especially for high volume stores, can be much slower or require more manual intervention compared to Zendrop's smoother end-to-end flow. If you're focused on keeping startup costs low, and if you want the freedom to experiment with many different products without paying for a platform upfront, Zendrop is the smarter starting point because of its free plan, low product costs, and flexible sourcing options that allow you to adapt quickly as you learn what sells and what doesn't. If you're building a brand that promises fast delivery in the US or Europe, and you're willing to invest more money upfront for higher product quality and better customer experience, Spocket will give you the supply chain reliability that you need to meet customer expectations and charge premium prices without relying heavily on long shipping windows. Both Zendrop and Spocket offer strong educational resources, but they serve slightly different purposes depending on where you are in your business. Zendrop's platform includes access to Zendrop Academy, weekly coaching sessions, and advanced training models that teach you not only how to use their system, but also how to scale a dropshipping business profitably through things like Facebook ads, branding, backend optimization, and even organic content. Spocket's education focuses much more on platform navigation and supplier relations, giving you super solid onboarding and access to a large knowledge base, but offering much less structured guidance for scaling beyond the basics, which can make a huge difference if you want to move more aggressively from beginner to advanced seller. Choosing between Zendrop and Spocket really comes down to your business priorities. If your main goal is higher profit margins, lower upfront costs, and the flexibility to test a wide range of products, Zendrop is definitely going to be the better choice for building quickly and adapting as you grow. If your focus is on delivering faster shipping, better product quality, and building strong customer satisfaction, especially in the United States and Europe from the start, Spocket is the platform that will support that strategy the best. Now that we've gone over everything about these platforms, let's show you how to get started with them and what they look like when we're actually using them. If you want to get started with Zendrop, I'd highly recommend using that link down in the description. When you click that link, you should be taken to a page that looks something like this. As you can see, we can start our dropshipping journey in a matter of seconds completely for free with their free 7-day trial that they have, which afterwards, if you guys use our link, you'll be able to get even more of a discount with 50% off your first 3 months of getting started with Zendrop. You simply enter in your first name, last name, email address, and then just enter in your credit card details, and then hit the start free trial button where you can downgrade or cancel at any time. Once you're inside of there, you'll be able to add products into your Shopify store simply by clicking a button. It's literally that easy. And to add Zendrop to your Shopify store, it's basically like any other Shopify application or plugin. You would simply just go to the plugin store and add Zendrop. If you want to get started with Spocket, once again, make sure you use that link down in the description. It should take you to a page that looks something like this, where you can get started completely for free for 14 days. Inside of this, you simply click on this purple 14-day free trial button, which will take you inside of their platform where you can start messing around with some of the things you can do as far as importing products into your Shopify store, so you can start selling high quality products that get to people quicker and have faster shipping times. Other than that though, make sure you guys leave a like on this video and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything we post in the future. Also, of course, make sure to comment down below which of these two platforms you prefer using, and let me know your overall use with them and if you have any experience with them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one.